What if I told you, in 2026, people are quietly making money using AI systems that most creators don't even know exist yet? No freelancing, no Amazon, no saturated apps, just hidden AI workflows that can generate real income while you sleep. And today, I'll show you 5 of them that almost nobody is talking about right now. Most people think AI is just ChatGPT or image generators. But in 2026, AI is evolving into something much bigger. Number 1, fully automated money systems. Number 2, AI agents that do real work. Number 3, micro businesses run by software. Number 4, an invisible digital services that companies pay for daily. And the crazy part, most of these opportunities are still wide open. Let's break them down one by one. Number 1 is AI content repurposing agency. Businesses are drowning in content, YouTube videos, podcasts, webinars, but they don't have time to turn them into short-form clips. That's where this comes in. You use AI tools to turn long videos into viral shorts, extract hooks automatically, add captions and titles, post ready content packages. One client can pay anywhere from $300 to $3,000 per month, and you don't even edit manually. AI does most of it. Number 2 is AI product description arbitrage. E-commerce stores need thousands of product descriptions, but writing them manually is slow and expensive. So you step in. You use AI to generate SEO product titles, high-converting descriptions, add copy variations, then you sell them in bulk to Shopify or Amazon sellers. This is one of the easiest entry points because demand is massive. Number 3 is local business AI automation setup. Local businesses are still stuck in 2015. They don't use automation. You set up AI systems that reply to customer messages automatically, handle booking appointments, answer FAQs 24/7. Think restaurants, saloons, clinics. They pay monthly because it saves them staff costs. Number 4 is AI data labeling and micro audits. Big AI companies need human check data, but instead of hiring employees, they outsource micro tasks like labeling images, checking AI outputs, correcting training data. You can build a small team or do it solo using AI tools. It's simple work, but very scalable. Number 5 is AI prompt plus workflow automation services. This is the most advanced one. Companies don't want AI tools. They want results. So you build AI workflows like automated lead generation, content creation, pipelines, sales email systems. You're basically selling AI employees to businesses. This is where high-ticket clients live. These are not random side hustles. They are part of a massive shift happening right now. In 2026, the winners won't be people who use AI. They will be people who build systems with AI. If you want, I can break down any one of these into a step-by-step blueprint. Just comment, "Build AI business," and I'll create a full roadmap video for you. Subscribe because the next video might be the one that changes how you make money online.